This new feature update is specifically related to our LC email enhancement and specifically the new default header. This update allows users to set a default from name and email address for dedicated sending domains. Let's talk about those benefits. With this feature update, you're going to be able to maintain brand consistency across all outgoing emails by setting a default name and email address. This is going to prevent conflicts and minimize the risk of email failures. This update is also going to align with the recent email changes from providers like Gmail and Yahoo. Now let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine a marketing agency using the CRM to send email campaigns on behalf of their clients. By setting a default name and email address for dedicated sending, the agency ensures consistent branding for each one of their clients' campaigns, while also adhering to the email provider guidelines, thereby maximizing deliverability and campaign effectiveness. So, to get started, we need to access Settings in our lower navigation menu. Once we're in the Settings menu, we're going to go ahead and select Email Services. We are trying to access right now the dedicated domain and IP area. So once you select Email Services, make sure that you're under the SMTP area, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Dedicated Domain and IP. From there, you are going to go ahead and click on the three dots next to your URL, your sending URL. From there, you're going to go ahead and in the drop-down menu, click on Set Headers. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a small pop-up window where you're going to enter your name and your email address. This is going to be the default sending header, and then go ahead and click Save. Once you've saved, you'll notice that everything that you just updated is right inside of that record. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.